Hi there, this is Pete Chapman from Nuclear Blogger. One of the most important things about blogging is to get as much influence as possible, and to do that you really need to create a newsletter and collect people's names and primary emails so that you can share your stuff, give value to them, and also influence whatever field, whatever niche you're in. And with us, Nuclear Blogger is all about helping people to get successful blogs up and running, and obviously we have some affiliate income from the course that we provide, Matt and I provide, but I think that essentially the important thing is to help people. We need to have their name and email so that we can send them weekly newsletters, etc. So to do this we have web forms on the side panel of the blog, on the top panel of the blog, and at the bottom of some posts. But we also have a light box on the blog which is works really well, and often people ask us, how do we get this light box? So I thought it would be useful to share with you what product we've used and how to set it up. So the product we're using currently is Up Domination. It's a commercial plugin that you have to purchase, but it's a really good product, so we would recommend that. So how to do that? I thought it might be useful to you to demonstrate that on the new blog that I'm doing. So this is the blog that I'll be putting the pop-up domination on. You just need to go to the back office of the blog, go to plugins and add new, and then we just need to upload a plugin. So just go to upload, and when you purchase this plugin from the link that we'll provide, they give you a zip file, so we just need to find that file and install that. Okay, then we just activate the plugin, and then we need to go down to pop-up domination on the dashboard just to make that set it all up. Now you need to place your order number. You would have bought this product from ClickBank, so you need to set your order number up and then submit and then go to the next stage. I'm just going to do that, but obviously you're not going to see my order number. So once you've done that, then you just go to click here to finish setting up, and you start to choose lots of different templates you can choose from here. Just go through them all. Look quite attractive. Some of them you may need a bit of artwork, but others, you just you can set it up fairly easy. You can actually put look pretty good, don't they? Quite attractive way they've done. So we're going to pick one of these top two. I think we're going to go for that one, and you can change this later. We're going to choose the blue one because the blog's all about water. So we'll go for an orange button, sorry, and then we'll go for blue for the thing, and then update the options, and then we'll go to, when we've done that, we know what colour everything's going to be and what template we're going to use. Just go to mailing list HTML. Now this is the HTML opt-in code that you'll get from your autoresponder. Now we're recommending Aweber as an autoresponder, and you can get that from the toolbox on the page at the top of the blog. So you would just go to your Aweber form and click install my form and just take that raw HTML code. I don't think it actually matters, but we're going to take that, so just copy and then go to here and then paste it in there. And then update those options, and then we go to template fields, and then we just start putting in a title. I'm just going to pause the video while I do something on this, so you don't want to get too bored, and then you can see what's finished as we you know, the finished article as I do that. Okay, so all you need is just a title, a header, and just whatever you want on your submit button. First name, your email address, that's fine. So just update that. And the next thing you do is go to list points, and here you put your list points. So you just click add another, and then you get a tick box, and then you can say what you're going to offer them. While I do this, I'll just pause the video. Okay, so this theme here, we're allowed 4 bullet points just like this, and all we do is just keep adding another till we've got the 4 bullet points, and just put the words that you want to place in. And these are the benefits, bullet points benefits of why people should join your list, and so make them stand out and say and do what you want people to hear, to share value with them, to explain why they should go to you and nobody else. So you just update the options, schedule. Here it says when the close button is clicked, how long should it be before the light box is shown again. So it's 7 days here, so just leave that there. And I've just left it everywhere, so it just comes up everywhere, so I've left it at that. You can change that if you want. Then you can just preview it, and there it is. So looks cool. I might just change that, but then you can actually see how this works and how that can benefit you. So I will change this because it looks a bit messy there, but that's it. And then all you need to do is go in and click turn on. So that's it, how you can upload Up Domination to your website. I'll go in here and just make those couple of changes just to make it look a bit better, but you know how to do it now, and it's the place to go. You'll find links for it on the Nuclear Blogger post that this is accompanying this video. Take care now, bye bye.